guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes and welcome to the video of this absolutely stunning Triumph Street Triple 765, and this is the RS model. It's 2018 on an 18 plate, done 10,039 miles, and as you can see it's a beauty. So in the RS you do get the full colour TFT display, you get them LED daytime running lights, you also get the Brembo M50 monobloc brakes. And with the screen there, as you can see, you get ABS traction, you get your different power modes, you get a quickshifter as well. This one has got the seat cowl on there, and it's also got a tail tidy on the back. They're a wicked bike to ride, they're a really popular bike. People absolutely love them, 3-cylinder engine, they're really lightweight, they go like stink and they handle superb. We'll give this one a fire up so you can hear it. And there we go, that is the Street Triple 765 RS. If you do want to get this one bought, best thing to do is get yourself down at Jordanbikes, or simply give us a call and get it snapped up before someone else does. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.